的呼叫他，要往回上，要不上，是的，不能不在，要不叫服，要不叫服，要不叫服下去，要不叫服
Praise the Lord. Shall we raise the we want to see come this way.
Yes, we accept that the additional notice is up there, but this is called at the distance of the leader. The call that we had a few months ago, we ran through a process of congresses, primaries, and there are issues in some places. But Your Excellency, I want to report that in this local government, we did all the things that we needed to do, and I think, and I'd be surprised if there are issues in any ward arising from the conduct of the local government, congress, and primaries. Not be so? That's so. Even if we knew that there were no issues, we still needed to call and meet with you and interact with you, so that if whatever lingering issues there are, that is why we are a political party. We're not afraid of confronting them. We deal with them as they come. It's on that note that I respectfully invite His Excellency.
PDP, please be seated, be seated. PDP,
Power to the people.
power to the people.
PDP.
Our very own esteemed chairman of campaign council for this local government election. My big bro, Odagwese. Let me stand on the protocol already established by our party chairman, who happens to be from this local government too. Well, he said it all. There's no problem here. If there's a problem, it is his responsibility and that of our chairman to resolve. So let us stand up, let's go and eat their food, and let's go and meet the people in the field. Is it carried? Is it carried? Before we go, let our host talk to us.
Your Excellency, let me do like you do. I stand on the existing protocol. Yes, this is a unique local government. Unique in so many ways. Unique in the sense that you have a root in this local government.
Taught me how to dance a good.
And many other things. Ladies and gentlemen, and Your Excellency, sitting before you are the people who define politics of this local government. You are the people who determine who wins and who loses election in this local government. When we say there is no issue, believe us, there is no issue. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of you, I'm telling His Excellency, we have no issue in this local government.